made a new skateboard deck. This is 15 layers of 1/2 millimeter teak wood veneers. I've already skated it 3 sessions, so today will be the 4th session. Yeah, I think that's better lighting. Okay. Now you can see it better. I was gonna say, it feels pretty strong and more flexible than a skateboard I would buy from the store. And I think that's more due to the number of layers rather than the different type of wood. Having 15 layers instead of 7 means more glue. And so I think having a skateboard that's made of more glue than wood almost makes it more flexible. But I landed really hard on the tail once on an ollie, and I could feel it bend a lot so much that I had to step off. But no signs of cracking. I didn't hear any cracking noises in this yet. So far so good. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I haven't made the board in a while either. And yeah, I like this one a lot. Teak wood. Okay, bye.